Meron akong Facebook. Yun, same pa rin ang name ko dito sa YouTube. Christian Cruz. Hola, hermosa. ¿Cómo estás? Happy birthday. Malulululu kaka. What's imo? Because she is your friend. So, and then what? If she is my friend, you want Belle? You want my Belle? I think she comes in your life one time also. You see her in my life? Hola. Tere doy por atras. Ambot lang pod. Roman Lopez. Ambot ra pod. Wow, kasabot. Maybe I'm not wrong. So, you are wrong. Add kita be. Sige, add mo ko may update. Yeah, I see 1 year ago. Huh? 1 year ago. Maybe on her another account. She has a YouTube channel before, but it's not active or it's not working or no video at all. Not working. Ang bot ni mo ay. Add mo na lang ako biaksipok kita. Hindi naman makapag-add ang page dong. Hindi makapag-add ang page. I don't know why. She is also beautiful. Yes, Belle is beautiful. She is beautiful. You know that, Skiriton Daniel. Ay, nakumpot mo Daniel. Christian Cruz. In my eyes, all women are beautiful by heart. By heart only. Hi, Raisa Bandera. Nakita mo na, babi? Hindi pa. Dark. I'm sorry. This is dark. Hindi naman unta ako dire mag-live boy. Nabubuang man eh. Heart is important than something else. Yeah. So what for? What? Hi, Sniper. Hello. Thanks so. Shelly Agustina. Don't go for Cocomelon. Go for heart. Zah. But I want Cocomelon. I want watermelon. Ambot ako. Andito ako sa YouTube. Wala ako sa Facebook. Regina Bisagar. Wala ako sa Facebook. Nandito ako sa YouTube. By the way, where is your husband? In my heart. Also, as you said, heart is important than anyone else. So my husband is in my heart. Like, sleep na tayo, night na. Good night, Samson Brown. You already have 2 watermelon. Bot ni yung live ni may klaro. Nagdiriman ko nag-live.